Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick intro to the video that you are watching now, and I do hope that you watch it to the end. There are two things going on here. One is how square footage, when you see it on paper, can be deceiving when you get to the home and actually look at the home in person. So I ask that if you look at a home and everything else fits, but because it's a couple hundred square foot less than you're thinking you want, take a look at it because you never know. The second is leased solar. Please, before passing up a property that has leased solar, talk to me if I'm your agent or your agent. Get all the information before you make a decision, because it really could, in the end, if it's the right lease, save you a lot of money over the years. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video. Hello everyone, I am at my beautiful listing in Estrella Mountain Ranch, and I wanted to go over two elephants in the room on this listing. One is the size. I know that 1,844 square feet might scare some away because they want more space. But I am telling you that this floor plan has so much space in the great room in the kitchen. The bedrooms might be smaller, but what do you do in the bedroom? You sleep. So take a tour with me. So if you look, this is the living area. There's a lot of space in here. Then this is a dining area, or it could be another sitting area. The kitchen expands down further, and there's another spot if you wanted to have an actual eat-in kitchen. We have the double ovens, and my favorite part, because I do own this floor plan, is this island. And you can still see the TV from the kitchen sink, but everybody can't see all that is going on in the kitchen. The other elephant in the room would be the solar lease. I know a lot of people shy away from solar, especially if it is leased, but this home has 3 heating and cooling zones. One zone for the guest bedrooms, or the 2 bedrooms, one zone for the living space, and one for the master bedroom. We keep our master bedroom at 73 at night and the rest of the home at 80. We only have partial solar. This home, the solar lease began in 2018. It is a fixed payment of $107 and some odd cents. So we just say 108. The current seller has credits from APS at this time. So we discussed everything there. Now come and see this beautiful home and take a look for yourself. Thank you.